everyone. Actually, very much thanks for clicking this video. In my opinion, information is not here which flow every time. To get the information, we need some source to express our things more better than the previous one. With the great thing of a mind, I'd love to extract some of the information through the internet, books, or even from other people. With the great bless of the God, I'm absolutely fine here in my own place, and hope so you may also. Actually, I'm an apothecary and be always your anchor for this channel on what's going on. This YouTube channel will contain lots of incredible, outstanding, open-minded, unbelievable, fantastic, excellent, and even surprising new fact, new information, new idea, new thing at all on the new channel with the new family member of YouTube and in a new topic that never and ever told by any people. The information on this channel may be simple but with the unique technique to express everything to you with the great love and with the great greeting by saying the Namaste from the heart of Nepal. As you give the like and the subscribe to the channel, then I am sure that I will post my video as soon as possible.